Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In our previous lesson, we learned how to make 3D window, and we start from base plan, and now we reach up to the doors and windows. Today we will learn how to install these windows and how to apply the material. See, now this is our door and this is our window. You can shift either by the dimensions, or we can do one thing, that we will select the window and we will move it inside by any one of the base point. So take the copy command or move command. Move, it's better. Take move command. You can directly put the M from keyboard, or take from here move command. Select object, right click, pick from base point, and here is the corner. I selected actually the wrong corner, that's why it's looking outside. I will select it again. I will redo this one. Copy, or better move command. Move, select object, select the outer face or outer corner, and match it with the outer corner of the wall. Now see, our window is in the exact place. I will turn off the roof so that we can see it from inside also. Turn off roof layer. See, our window is exactly on its place. Now I will install the door. As we learned before how to make the door, even there is another simple procedure to make the door. I'll show you in next video or in another video, in another tutorial, inshallah. Select outer corner and move the door an exact place. Select the outer corner of wall, and here our door is on its place and our window is on its place. Other windows, to save the time, I already put this window here and I put this ventilator here. Now I will turn on the layer, roof layer. Here is 3D roof. I'll turn it on. Now we have some of other work. You can make one side for you. I already created this site. I will turn on the layer and it will be visible here. Here is the site. This is just, you can take one rectangle. I'll show you how to make this one. Just you can take one rectangle, same like this. I will delete this one, ext command, and just extrude it 1 inch or half inch. It's enough. Just move it into the exact site layer like this. I already created boundary wall. I will turn on boundary wall layer. Here is our boundary wall layer. I'll turn it on and see, here is our boundary wall. You can create it more good designs as you wish, whatever the design you like. I make a very simple gate also. Main gate, here is main gate, and you can see here. Here is our main gate, this is our boundary wall, this is our site, and now approximately our house is ready. Now what we will do, we will apply the real material so that we can see the real shape. To apply the real material, go to the render tab in material browser. Here we have a lot of material downside: paint, plastic, flooring, everything. So First we'll start from roof. I created one. You can create a new material by clicking here. I created one roof material here, this one. Just click it, click, left click, take the material and paste on the item where you want to place it. See, it's not visible here. You can place it on full roof including the border. See here, its material and texture, it's off. Here we will turn it on and see our material, exactly our material and texture is on. Now I applied many material before, approximately in all items. You can see here in boundary wall I apply some material paint, and here I apply some material. On gate we applied already some material, and here I applied interlock. We have here flooring also. Because we have material, and here we can change the material here a little face of the boundary wall, so it will be in two colors. Just apply on half of the item or only the face. You can take by left clicking with the control key, take this material and put on the face. See, it's applied only on the face. Control key and left click and apply on required area. Here this is our house today. In our next video we'll start estimation for this same house. It's approximately completed. It's a simple house. Now this is for basic tutorials for basic beginners. So now in our next videos we will move to the professional plans. We will create elevations, sections, and how to make a proper drawing, and then we will start the estimation for the house. If you have any comments, anything, you can put below in the comments. Thank you very much guys. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.